there! I'm here to help you transform your kitchen into a 5-star steakhouse. And trust me, it's easier than you might think. Today, we're diving into the art of cooking the perfect steak, something that can truly impress your friends and family. First things first, let's talk about choosing the right cut. Whether you're eyeing a juicy ribeye, a tender filet mignon, or a flavorful sirloin, the key is to look for good marbling. That's those little flecks of fat throughout the meat, which promise a delicious melt-in-your-mouth experience. Now, on to prepping your steak. Pull your steak out of the fridge and let it come to room temperature before cooking. This little trick ensures your steak cooks evenly. While it's resting, season generously with salt and cracked black pepper. Don't be shy with your seasonings. This is what gives your steak that punch of flavor. Heat your pan, cast iron ideally, to a high temperature before adding a splash of oil. Hear that sizzle? That's the sound of deliciousness starting. Place your steak in the pan and don't move it around. Let it sear and form that beautiful, flavorful crust. For a medium rare finish, cook each side for about 3 to 4 minutes, depending on thickness. Now, here's a chef's secret. Add a knob of butter, some garlic, and fresh thyme to the pan during the last minute of cooking. Tilt the pan slightly and continuously spoon the butter over the steak. This not only adds flavor, but also gives it a glossy, appealing finish. Once done, let your steak rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring each bite is as succulent as the last. And there you have it. Serve it up with some homemade fries, a crisp salad, or even a bold red wine. And you've just brought the steakhouse to your dining room. Remember, the joy of cooking is all about experimenting and finding what works for you. So don't be afraid to tweak things a bit until you find your perfect steak recipe. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Go ahead, give it a try, and let's make every meal a culinary adventure.